we're going to troubleshoot the module not found, can't resolve Swiper CSS error. This error typically pops up when you're using the Swiper JavaScript library in your React Vue or other JavaScript project and your bundler, like Webpack or Vite, can't locate the Swiper CSS files. Let's go through some common causes and solutions. 1. Incorrect or missing. Import. Double-check your import statement. Make sure you're importing Swiper CSS correctly. A common mistake is using the wrong path or forgetting to import it entirely. The correct import statement usually looks something like import Swiper CSS. Also, make sure you're importing any necessary Swiper modules, like Swiper/CSS/bundle or individual CSS modules if you're only using specific Swiper features. 2. Installation issues. The error could be caused by problems during the installation of the Swiper package. First, verify that you've actually installed the Swiper package using npm install Swiper or yarn add Swiper. After installation, check your write single quote package.json write single quote file to confirm that Swiper is listed as a dependency. If it's not there, reinstall it. Then try clearing your npm or yarn cache, npm cache clean, force or yarn cache clean. This ensures you're working with a fresh copy of the package. 3. Bundler configuration. Your bundler, Webpack, Vite, Parcel, etc. might be misconfigured. It needs to know how to handle CSS imports. Check your bundler's documentation to make sure it's set up to correctly process CSS files. For Webpack, this usually involves configuring loaders, like CSS Loader and Style Loader, to handle CSS imports. Vite often handles CSS imports automatically, but ensure you're using the correct import paths. 4. Module resolution. Your project might have issues with module resolution. This is how your JavaScript environment, Node.js, and your bundler find and import modules. Make sure your project's file structure is correct and that the import paths in your code accurately reflect the locations of your Swiper CSS files. 5. Typographical errors. Carefully review your import statement for any typos. Even a small mistake in the import path can lead to this error. 6. Version compatibility. Make sure the version of Swiper you're using is compatible with your project's other dependencies and your bundler. Check the Swiper documentation for compatibility information and any known issues. 7. Project restart. After making any changes to your package.json, dependencies, or configuration files, restart your development server to ensure the changes take effect. If the error persists after trying these troubleshooting steps, provide more context. Include snippets of your code, especially your import statements and your bundler configuration, your project's structure, your bundler, and the versions of your packages. This extra information helps pinpoint the problem more effectively.